morning, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell. It is Friday, August 28th, and we're looking at the T-bond, the 30-year T-bond futures contract. And I am looking to get long at 157.15, which is right where I'm putting my white horizontal line. 157.15 would be my number. As you can see, the market this morning so far has run up quite a bit. I did exit a trade from the prior day, and that was a pretty profitable trade. That was only one contract, and as you can see here, I closed that out this morning right in here. Closed that out for $1,281. Again, I kept this overnight. Okay, so I am looking at 157.15 right in here. That happens to be the daily R1 number. Okay, the daily resistance number taken from the floor trader pivots. Again, the market, the low today for the day session is right here. This is the high. We've had a really big run up. Okay, we're talking about 157, almost one full basis point. Pretty big move in a relatively short period of time. So I am just waiting patiently for the market to pull back down to this level, which I believe should act as support rather. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back when things get a bit more interesting. So we've got 2 ticks to go. We're at 157.17. We could possibly get a move up from here and not move down, but I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait for that move. So I'll be back with you. All right, I am back, and as you can see, we got filled. We got filled at 15, as you can see here. We have small position. We've got two contracts here, as you can see. And right there, got filled right here. So I'm taking a look at where, okay, I'm filled at 15. The high here is, I believe, 26. Look at that, 26. Okay. Difference is about 11 ticks, not about, but it's 11 ticks, half of 11. We're just going to round it to 5. So I'm looking to get out of the first at 20, 5 up, which is half the distance. So 20 is my first level, right there. All right, the overall market's opening up. The S&P 500's open up right now, but we're trading the bonds. Okay, right now we're at 19. We're looking to take some profits at 20. S&P's opened up a little bit lower. I'm looking at them on another screen right now. They closed yesterday at 1989.5. Opened up, yeah, look at this. Opened up at 77. So about 77, 87, 97. No, what did I say? Closed at 89. So about 11, 12 ticks they opened up lower, or about 12 points lower rather. And we'll see how this affects the bonds. I would have loved to have been in and out of this trade before the overall market opened, just simply because I like trading the S&Ps a whole lot too. But at least we got this good trade-off from yesterday to today. Exited right here, re-entered here. So look at right back up. Look at this. It gave us 4 ticks immediately and right back to break even right now. So we'll go ahead and watch this closely. And you might be wondering what my initial stop loss on this is, and that's a good question. What I like on the bonds, you know, executing off of a 3-minute chart, my stop is roughly 7 ticks. That's initial, okay? If the market were to, okay, for example, I'm long at 15, 7 ticks below it is 8, 157.08, which is right here. I know it looks large, but it's 7 ticks, but that's the initial catastrophic. Will I have it in automatically sitting there with a sell stop? Most likely well, not most likely, but what I typically do is I wait. If it I really like to see the bonds close below a specific level before exiting. Okay, so let's just watch this. Look, it's right back down. How frustrating. So it came right back up to 19, give us an immediate 4-tick profit, and then right back down again. Let's just pause it. All right, look at this, right back up again. Let's see. We're getting real close. It's 157.19, so it's right back up to that old high. Came right back, came down here, right to 13, I believe, and then right back up to 19. We've got 1 at 20. So let's just see if it is able to hit our profit target, our first profit target on just half the position. All right, everybody, we got filled at 20. So we made On the first half, we made 5 ticks. Look at that, up to 22 now. Look at this. So that was a beautiful trade so far. Okay. All right, so we are still long one. So we just made, I don't know, whatever that comes to. Okay, well, let's just watch this. This is even more important. Market's up to 22 right now. We want to lock in some profits. Again, we are long from right here, 157.15. It's at 22. We took half the position off at 20. All right, so we made 5 ticks on that. So remember, each tick in the bonds is $31.25. So it's $31.25 times 5. It's $156 on one. And I'm going to, obviously, got to go below these highs of 19. I'm going to go 18. That's my sell stop. 18. 157. 18 is right there. Okay, so we're going to lock in 3 on the other half of the position. Okay, look at, we're at 22. So I'll be back as things progress. Look at this market. It's crazy. Look at this. Gapped up on this 3-minute bar. The bonds are notorious for little gaps throughout the day as well. You get that occasionally. You get a lot of blocky action. And what I mean by blocky action is you look at all these bars with equal highs, right? You got the 157.16 high, 157, wait, I can't. 157.19, 157.19, 157.19, 157.19. So if you're not following me, let me just point that out to you right here. Right here. Look at all these highs. Same highs. Right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 6 highs right in here. That's 19. So I'm below that number at 18. Okay? Let's see if this can run. Again, the high of the day is 26. I'll be back shortly. All right, I am back and got stopped out. So let's see, we made 5 ticks on one and 3 ticks on another. So if you add that together, that's $250. So we made $250 on this trade. Market's right back up. So we'll see if it continues and see if we get another trade here in the bonds today. But I'm going to probably focus in on the E-mini S&Ps for the next hour or so since they just opened up. But actually a good trade nonetheless. So again, let's just quickly recap this. The market really took off this morning from this low to high. Again, this is the T-bond futures contract. Big up move. Bought it here at a daily pivot number at 15. Took one off at 5. So we made 5 ticks on one, and we trailed up our stop on the remaining and made 3. So we made 8 ticks. Right, 8 ticks times $31.25 a tick is $250. Hope that helps. Have a great day.